Kaya ang feeling.
Pansan tama mo.
At age 46.
Oh, 12 rounds na pala.
Last round na.
12 rounds mo tayo man.
Laban mo bandila natin.
Okay, give him all you got.
Aggressive, buddy.
Give him all you got.
Why are you starting your round like this? You gotta push Manny Pacquiao back. This is the last round. You're the younger fighter.
So
You
there's
got
some
more
punishment.
So I believe or think, but he's not showing any signs of that.
He's already proved his point to Pacquiao, win or lose. The point that he's not yet done with boxing.
Win or lose, you got 12 million.
I'm better than every other fighter. Boy, is he.
Pera na yan. Pera na.
Power punch land.
Para sa nasuldahan na lang.
75 for Manny Pacquiao. Straight left.
Hindi na. Hindi na
It's going to be about experience. It's going to be about it's going to be about desire. It's going to be about feeding off the crowd. It's going to be about who wants to
Come on,
win.
come on, Manny. Come on, Manny. Punish him.
Manny Pacquiao's the one
Let
that's
that
still
left hand go.
Oh, even though Barrios
Let
came
go,
up
just
with
once.
that was good.
Just once.
So once again, the lead right.
Let
This
that
is
left
all
hand.
it needs to be.
Yakap mo, huwag mo na.
Huwag ka naman papuntal.
1.5 minutes.
Konting tempo lang yan.
Really, both of them have done a great job. Whenever the other fighter lands a big combination, they come right back.
Puro bago yan. Tama na siya, di ba rin? Sa mga beses na. Hindi siya pogi.
Wanted to say Pacquiao looks tired. He looks weary. Every time I think that he surges back. Go three-punch combination.
Oh, yung combination natin.
Rhythm of fight benefits Pacquiao right now.
I mean, Barrios will not have that rhythm of fight.
You have no clue. I mean, the coach has told him already. Dos Santos, you gotta push.
Oh, nice. Good
This is
job.
your last round. He's gonna change your life last round. But we're not seeing that.
45 seconds. Give the left hand once. Just once. As hard as you can.
Yes.
Go!
Come on, Manny.
Wala na yung pitong combination niya.
No mercy.
Come on, Manny.
Back up. Answer.
20 seconds.
20 seconds, Manny, go.
Come on, Manny.
Go, Manny.
There you go.
There.
Some solid, some solid.
5 seconds.
Come on.
Huwag kang papatumba dyan. Oh, shit. My goodness. Oh!
Good job, Manny. Good job, boys. Malalaman.